We are quietly one of the more solid, more stable, financially secure contract manufacturers in Central Texas. We have been since 1995. It's really nearly impossible to have a section of everything we've ever done because we've just done so many different types of cables over the years. But we do have a good representation of some of the better products and some of the more innovative products we've done. The start of the process is incoming. I show how things are brought in. I show how that we make sure to match the part number with what's being ordered, with the work order, with the kit sheet. So when it comes in, the receiver knows where it goes. It's attached to a work order, so there's traceability on it later for job costing. And then it goes into inventory. You'll see got a dozen shelves back there of different types of wire, and a few more if you go into the warehouse. It may seem like a lot, but it's really just the tip of the iceberg. It's just a small portion of the type of wire we use here. The first stage in many things that we do is the wire processing. Now, we've got tremendous wire processing capabilities. There are thousands of different types of wire to process. Multi-conductor, out of round ribbons, ribbon cables, discrete wires, Teflon, PVC. There's just so many different types of installation to strip and crimp. But most of it goes through our cylinder machines. The tolerances that come off of these machines are very tight. You can't have a lot of play in your wire processing and cutting if you get that tight a tolerance. And those cylinders they'll be dead center. From that, the wire is put back into the kit, and it's gone back. It goes into production. Each and every cable we build, each work order starts with a first article. If we have a work order, we've done this thing 1,000 times in the past, and it's a new work order, we still do a first article. We got to make sure the person building that cable knows what they're building, and they're going to build it to their drawing. And build it to their work instructions. So from there, majority of our cable work orders are built in a cell, meaning there's not a flow line. Someone doesn't do one section, another person does another section, and push it down, another person does another section. Most of the time it's done in a cell, meaning that person will perform most, if not all, of the operations to assemble that cable. One of the things that sets us apart is the tools we have, our tool crib, our applicators, our hand tools. What we do is not terribly difficult. It is not rocket science. But without the right tools, without the right process, it can go sideways and fast. Everything is inspected. The crimps are inspected. The solder joints are inspected. The final product is inspected. The final product is tested and we put it into RTS, which means ready to ship. And it will change. You can come back and I can give you the tour today. 30 days from now, you can come back. It could look different. It may look different. Chances are it's going to look different. So yeah, I definitely encourage you strongly to come visit us. And come visit us regularly. We're a lot of fun to visit too.